శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 533rd డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 38th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Bhishma Pitamaha disclosing the glory of Sri Krishna Paramatma to Dharmaraju, saying like this, O Dharmaja, Purushottama Sri Krishna broke 1,000 mountains with his Chakrayudham and fought with Dyumatsena. And also he killed Gopati Talaketu, both demons. He conquered Lokapala Varuna and he conquered Sakshat Devendra and got Parijatam. This Janardana Sri Krishna conquered Pandya, Poundra, Matsya, Kalinga, Anga kings. And he killed 101 soldiers, 101 kings, and got Simsuma, Gandhara's daughter, and made Simsuma as his wife. O Dharmaja, Banasura also was not an ordinary one. He used to frighten all the Devatas and Devendra. But Krishna Paramatma Chitva Bahu Sahasram Tat Govindena Mahatmana, he cut all 1,000 shoulders of Banasura and killed him. Such Janardana Sri Krishna Paramatma killed Pitha, Kamsa, Paithaka, Atiloma, Jamba, Airavata, Virupa, Sambarasura. He also Esha Bhogavatim Gatva Vasukim Bharatarshabha Nirjitya Pundarikakshaha Rauhineyam Amochayat. Krishna went to Patala Lokam, conquered Vasuki, and released Rohini's son. Like that, evam bahuni karmani sisureva janardanaha krutavan pundarikakshaha Sankarshana Sahayavan. Such Pundarikaksha Janardana Sri Krishna Paramatma, along with Balarama, even in their childhood, in their young age, they have done so many miraculous activities. Like that, Bhishma Pitamaha teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Srimannarayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.